Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian. It's September and we're here for the official drop of SSCC number 29 and it's hot. Like literally, it's called the Heatwave. We love it, and if these color lights have anything to indicate, we're ready to party. We're throwing it back to the late 80s, early 90s, the poster cars of the era. We're taking it to Miami Beach. We're taking it to the neon, the parties that go all night long, to the early morning sunrise, the palm trees. We're going retro, and this is all about fun, and it's the ultimate culmination of summertime. The most loved drop to date, and I'm ready to get into it. Many of you have been asking, what's the experience like? How do I get my car club drop? Well, every limited edition drop that we do each month, it's sent directly to your door, and I just got mine, so I thought this is a great opportunity. Let's just go through the experience together. So, dropped at your doorstep, you get your official drop package, your Speed Society drop package. Thank you for speeding, by the way. So inside of this, you are always going to have the official insert. The insert is where we tell the entire story, our design concept, how we came up with it, what this shirt and what this art design represents, and the process that we went through to do it. So here's the official unveil of SSCC number 29. And if you look at those colors, I mean, we're ready to party. And if you caught a glimpse of that, you saw the Lamborghini Countach. This is the 50th anniversary of the Lamborghini Countach this year. This is the ultimate poster car that represented the 80s and 90s. And we thought that there's no better piece to represent this theme. So, onto the two decals. We will drop first the Heatwave. The Heatwave design, again, the Miami colorway, the neon lights. We've got the horizon of the sun with the Heatwave effect. We have got the killer Lamborghini Countach. Love that, absolutely love that. All right, now let's get into the shirt. So, we are gonna start with the Speed Society Car Club hit, upper left-hand chest. Single colorway. We've been killing it with our right arm hits, and this one is no different. We rocked our full Heatwave design. So we've got our Miami colors, we've got our geometric shapes, we've got the horizon of the sun with the Heatwave effect, SSCC number 29. And to my absolute favorite part, everybody loves it, you're gonna love it. This is the official reveal of the art. The colors kill it. We've got the palm trees, the Miami palm trees, the palm fronds go through the entire design. We have got the sun horizon with the Heatwave effect. We've got the insane Lamborghini Countach that just kills it in this design. Car Club member exclusive limited edition, Speed Society icon, and of course, number 29, which represents SSCC number 29, the 29th drop to date. We love it. This is amazing. This is shipping directly to door right now. It's only produced this month, September. It will never be produced again. So if you're on the fence, you better grab this shirt. You also get 85 entries to every single giveaway. You get 10% off the store. You get free shipping on anything in the store. We have tons of VIP events that are coming up at the end of this year and going to 2022 that all of you Speed Society Car Club members are going to be invited to. This is just, it's growing and becoming something so amazing. We're just ecstatic. And this is our favorite drop to date. We know you're going to love it. So grab those entries, sign up today, and we can't do this without you. Thank you so much. SSCC number 29. It's a wrap. We'll see you next month.